On June 23, President of the Republic of Azerbaijan Ilham Aliyev and President of Turkmenistan Serdar Berdimuhamedov inspected the construction progress at the new Shusha Mosque. Assistant to the President Anar Alakbarov briefed the heads of state of Azerbaijan and Turkmenistan on the project. The President of Azerbaijan laid the foundation stone of the mosque in 2021, and the structure is rapidly rising as a modern architectural landmark for the historic city. The mosque's unique design features a silhouette shaped like the number 8 to symbolize Victory Day. The complex will comprise a main prayer hall, administrative facilities, and separate ablution areas for men and women. Its twin minarets, towering at 73 meters each, are designed to symbolize the number 11, representing November, the historic month of Shusha's liberation. The exterior of the complex will feature intricate geometric patterns inspired by the minarets of Shusha's ancient, historic mosque. The construction project is being executed with the support of Pasha Holding.